going in the direction you want to go.
Yeah. So there's helicopters up in the hills there coming over now. There's a fire over there, so we're not going to Skipper's Canyon, which is a bit of a bummer. And we're going to be going most likely to Lake Moki, which is just over the hill through Queenstown on the other side. Watching helicopters come in to land and do their servicing and fueling and getting sorted to go back up into the hills. We head back down the access road from the Skipper's Canyon access road closed, damn it, down the side of Lake Wakatipu, heading up a gravel road to Lake Moki. Never been here before, looking forward to it. Something different.
You want to go first?
In 1862, Lake Moki is named after the first donkey to encounter the lake. And it was in the early days of then when gold rush sort of started and there was some gold found in the area. Yeah, I'm just a little bit of interest.
No. Well,
Yeah.
actually, you owe us $7 for that, buddy. For that gas canister, then, if you're going to go that way.
It's fine. We'll sort it.
Oh, go.
Huh. Cheers.
I think over there it's a special swimming.
Just went back from a swim and the Moki Lake. Damn awesome, man. Battery went flat on the camera. Couldn't use the camera. Damn it. They might time to cook some dinner. So tonight we're doing onions again. We did the onions last night, didn't we? That's right. We did the onions. Having the Old English beef sausage. I don't know what actually makes the sausage English or Old English. But look at that creation. No, it doesn't look too bad. So this is the concoction of divine catering chefing of the evening. The Old English beef sausage with some sautéed onion with some what is tomato sauce and salad.
Oh no!
How beautiful is that? Just divine. Moto Guzzi Griso, V1100. The pinnacle of Italian technology. So out here in the Lakeside District, we have the facilities to be able to wash dishes. There's our camp over there. It's quite cool. I mean, like compared to other camps we've been at, it's a bit busier, closer to Queenstown, I guess, which makes a big difference when it comes to the camping thing. But it's cool hearing people having their good time and music and stuff. And then over here we've got some birds, we've got some swans and paradise ducks. So many ducks, man. And then up on top of the hill over there, you can't probably see it, probably just with little white dots. There's a glamping camp. So, you know, we're camping in our budget tents, and up in there you're probably spending many dollars, hundreds of dollars to camp in fancy ass tents. We're gonna walk around this track a little bit and see what it's like. Thanks for coming on the journey, and hey, you know, subscribe to the channel, click a like or something, make a comment. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on the content that I throw up here. You know, click the bell as well so you know that when I've posted a video it's there, because I'm a little bit more sporadic. I'm not like a frequent, like every Sunday I'm going to chuck a video. Doesn't work like that for me. Look at that. That's spectacular. I've said so many times before how lucky we are in New Zealand. It's scenery and experience that can take your breath away. I was just doing a run simulation. Well, it was in real life, it wasn't really a simulation as such. But I was just showing how quick a human at the pinnacle of fitness can move. You know, this is a 52-year-old human moving at spectacular pace. So we're making our way around this camping track. Over there is where the camp was. We've walked all the way along there and up around the hill here. So this is where we're at right now. We're on this, we're heading to the lake campsite. And we've walked from the campsite here, we walked around here, and we are about to cross here. Oh, this is pretty cool. So at the end of the Moki Lake. Wow, so here we are. Wow, there's a bit of uphill and a bit of downhill. Once you get going downhill though, the trouble is that speed starts to take away on you, and you start getting a bit too much speed, and then you can't get the brakes going. Wow, look at that. And we're here now, and it says on here, Moki Lake, 2.5 hours, and I think we looked before, what we've been doing for an hour. An hour. Beautiful. Oh, a duck. Friend little ducks coming in for a visit. So ready to go again. Look around the bar, no leaks, no nothing like that. We're looking pretty good. And time to go from this spectacular spot. Great to see the sunrise. People walked up to the top of that hill up there. Pretty cool. Heading out from Lake Moki. Beautiful morning, and we're heading now to Drummond. Never been to Drummond before. I don't remember ever being to Drummond. Back through Queenstown, Mad Rush place, beautiful spot. Had to stop and take a little bit of put a jersey on. Only 15 degrees. So down the side of the lake, Whakatipu, Frankton, Kingston, Garston, Athol, all the way to South. On the way through, as we were heading south, we stopped off at Athol for a snack and a beer. Not far now to get to Drummond. Oh well. See you.
This time. Bizarre.
I'm thinking Specsavers. They're not done, it's a home. What do you reckon? Should have given it a go, eh?
That was the business. That was well done. I saw that bike in the one. Toolbox 3, Toolbox 1, Toolbox 2. This tank bag's nice. The brown accent's Indian.
Gorgeous that is.
See all your tattoos, not just some of them. What are you clapping your hands for, ladies? Come on. Is that twinsies? What does it say? Stay wild.
Your tank is quite small. Yeah, like how small can you go in the tent? That's pretty tiny. That's very tiny. Cheers to good ralliness.
It's hard.
You're right.
Gee, bro. Oh,
That was good.
Is that what you use for that?
Yep.
What's that, sorry? It is.
very soothing for us. Oh, he even gets himself in video. Oh, yeah.
That's nice. Cheers, 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 cheers. Oh, I might as well put our faces in it.
Big thank you to Jodie and her girls.
I did like the fun That's the Drummond Rally all wrapped up.